Hi there and welcome back. Just a quick video. I've got two new kits. They're not in Etsy yet, but they are available on my Patreon and they have been for a couple of weeks now. They will go into Etsy at the beginning of March. The first one is called Garden Gate, and currently Denise from Junk Journals Junkie, I don't think she's got Denise at the end of it now, but I'm sure you know Denise if you're watching me. She's working with this kit, so I'm just going to do a quick flip of this because she has already shown it. So this is the main kit. There's a main kit and an add-on. So we've got, these are as pages. So we've got some collage pages. We've got some, you know, they all are fine to fold in half and use them as actual pages. You know, you can obviously use that as a page, or if you print it on, you know, something thicker, you can make things with that. So they've all got, that's got a, you know, peachy, so it's got a matching thingy. We've got the, obviously the green one here. Okay, got a pinky one, blue. Okay, so they're the pages. I think there's 10 or 12, and then this is the ephemera. This is still in the main kit. So these are either 3 separate pockets, or you can put that one on top of there of it as a double one, or you can put the small one on top of there of that as a double one, and that's your tall one, or you can stack them all, so you've got a triple pocket there. Got lots of cutouts. I love cutouts, which can either be torn around or cut around. These are printed 1 to a page. If you wanted them smaller, then obviously you could do them 2 to a page, etc. So we've lots of baskets and flowers in pots and gardens and separate ones, and some yellow butterflies and bees, and some carrots and a couple of bunnies. Another one. Got lots of rabbits and daffodils, and then these fences with florals, some signposts and a table. I think it is an indoor table. I couldn't find an outdoor table with daffodils on, but yeah, so that's that one. Got some trees, 4 trees. This one, this is like a scene, so you could tear around that, or you could just, you know, section it off. Got some plain fences where you can put your own flowers around. Got some ladybirds. You can either be brave and tear around them, or cut around them, or, you know, use them as that strip. Got some pots and some baskets, little sack and some wellies, and then some more rabbits. Got some radishes and onions there to make gardeny scenes. Then we've got this, which can either be used as an envelope or a flip out or some kind of folio, or you could sew pages in it and have it as a journal. I've not printed on the inside, but yeah, if you wanted to print it on the inside, I was thinking I'll probably use book pages and stick that onto the inside, and it'll make these a bit thicker. So I've printed on a creamy card and a bit of a darker for the actual sheets. So mine probably, I don't know if Denise printed on white or not. So we've got 3 tags and 3 little journal cards, which can either be, you know, not stacked together, folded up, or separately. Another like folio type thing, isn't she pretty? Some butterfly wings and some love hearts, which you could put you know, in your book that all open up, so it's got little hinges here. Big envelope, page with lots of little tags, and this one's got butterfly wings. I've cut my butterfly wings off, which I'll just bring it out a bit and then just put something over the wings. And then we've got two like file folder things, which you can obviously use as file folders or journal cards. So that is the main kit. That's the add-on. That's the add-on. These are freebies, which are in Patreon. So there's 4 journal cards, or you can obviously fold them in half. You can make that into, you know, a little booklet. Got these potted scenes, and we've this paper and this paper. So they're available on Patreon. So that's the main kit and the freebies. Did I say it was called Garden Gate? And this is the add-on. So we've got 3 lots of William Morris designs. And we've got lots of little tickets and labelly kinds of things, circles and ovals. Got a couple of little bits. Well, there's a picture there what shows you how it fits together. Again, I've not printed on the back, but if you wanted to do that, this can be used as either 2 separate you know, pocket and tag, or you can stack it together. Got these, which are like bookmark journal cards or tags. You could put one of those tassels at the bottom and you've got yourself a bookmark, or they could be folded in half and made into a thin journal, you know, like notebook. Lots of different things, or you could keep them all together and you know, have it as a tall flip out tag thing. These are like the tops of envelopes. I like we've got a spine thing there, so I think you know, you can cut this out and you can attach like it to the side of your page, so you could add an extra page into your journal. That's what I tend to use them for. You could cut that bit off and just use it as a side tuck or a belly band type thing. Yeah, whatever you wanted. These little notelets, love those, and some more note kinds of things. And we've got these 2 lovely picture frames with some florals, a couple of bunnies, some birds and some more butterflies. And then we've got a page of bows and some like corrugated card. I've done some clusters before with corrugated card, which looks lovely, but they can be a little thick, so I thought that would be nice for making a couple of clusters with. So that's the add-on to it, and yeah, like I say, that's called Garden Gate, and it will be in Etsy at the beginning of March. And if you want to see Denise using it, then have a look on her channel. I'll just put that across there. A link is in my description. So this is the kit that I'm going to be using. I've started cutting some of it up. This is called One Fine Day. So this is the main kit. Love this page. So the little bunnies. I've got some collage going off at the back and down the bottom. That's a collage sheet. This brick and ivy. You can obviously use these as pages or print on card to make things with. This one, so it's like two little books. You can obviously again have it as a page, or you can, you know, cut round them. These little writing spaces. And we've got a couple of Morris prints. We've got some greens, like 3 different greens, very grungy. One in brown. And we've got some, you know, like proper what you have to call journal pages. So obviously these can be, you know, you don't have to use them as pages. Again, you can do these 2 to a page and you'd have like 4 journal cards, or you can have these as, you know, big journal cards. Little bunny there. Them children. Then I've printed these 2 to a page, so they could be pages in a small journal, or like I say, they can be journal cards. Greens. I like printing them 2 to a page. That's my printer error. It got stuck in there. I should just take that bit off. And then this is the ephemera in the main kit. So these are like little journal cards. Got a couple of like fold out pieces. Those pockets do fit on there, so you could have a single one, or you could double it up, or use them, you know, however you want. Got a pocket and some cards that fit in there. Another one of those pieces that you can use as an envelope, or a little folio, or a flip out. A couple of envelopes. If you do those 2 to a page, you obviously get 2 smaller envelopes. Again, another one of those stacked ones, or you can use them singular. Some small little file folders, and I've printed them 2 to a page as well. Okay, so that was the main kit, and then this is the add-on. So we've got different tickets and labels. Lots of them have got texture, so these are like burlappy ones. Some more labels, and yeah, I forget what they're called. These can be used as journal cards, but my idea was you could make some like clusters. If you cut that out and, you know, tore them in half, you'd have a nice cluster base. Could make them into little notebooks. So they're just the actual pages, you know, from the kit. I must have missed one of the pages out. I'm sure we didn't see that one, so I don't know what's happened to that one. So we've got some vegetables, lots of potted plants, garden sign. Love those cabbages. And some fences.
Person without any effort.
And some grass. A watering can and a hose pipe and some packs of seeds. The greenhouse and then more pots and a smaller greenhouse. I've done these two to a page as well, so you'll be able to see the difference. Obviously use these as ephemera, so you could use them as journal cards. Lots of bunnies and butterflies and some bugs. Got some trees and some butterflies across the middle. Again, you can use these as journal cards, or you can make them into little notebooks. Obviously you can use them as tucks. And we've got some tickety things and some strips. You can use as page decoration, you know, add more to them. Could be good as just a base for those things. Got some writing spaces what you can add onto like book pages and things like that. Those again, they're one of my favourite things at the minute. I do like using these. So I've decorated two and left two plain. And then these are them two to a page. So I'm going to have lots to cut out, aren't I? It's going to be what I'm doing over the next couple of nights. And then that one and that one. So that one is One Fine Day. So thank you very much for looking. I hope you like them. I'm really enjoying creating them. So I'm going to sort them all out to what wants cutting out and what doesn't. And yeah, over the next couple of nights I shall be cutting these out. The only thing is I've literally got nowhere to then put all these pieces, because I've just got limited room in here. So yes, I'm gonna have to find myself a tub or something. So they're all the papers, and I will do work with the kit that Denise has got another time, because I did do it with Easter in mind, but I've only put, you know, bare minimum eggs and things in, so it doesn't have to be just used for Easter. Obviously spring, summer, more spring, but anytime, because it's just cute. Okay, thank you very much, and I will see you tomorrow. We're finishing off the vintage blue journal. So until then, bye for now.